Nagpa-fun girl. Ba't kami yan? Ba't kami yan? Ngayon pati din dito. Bibigay mo yung gift bag. Hi! Ah, oh my God! Nagpa-fun girl na naman eh. Ay, okay lang kuya. Bibigyan na. John! Gift. I mean! Hello, John! Oh, John!
Sky is gray. Ay, sorry, di pala mga show ko. I was feeling. Yes, of course. Hello, kamusta kayo? Yan, maraming salamat po. Thank you for being here tonight to witness kung paano yung naging journey namin dalawa ni Maine when we were shooting in Morocco. Asaan? Ayan, of course, I would like to thank everyone who's here, our fans, and to the Mega team, of course, Miss Peewee, si Suki, Mr. Archie Carrasco, and of course, Miss Sari Yap. And if I missed out on anyone, I'm sorry, pero we're just so excited and we're very honored to be part of this month's cover for Mega. Grabe, yung Morocco, siguro is one of the places na really made a mark on us. Kasi of the place, it was an experience, yeah, for the books, and sobrang nag-enjoy kami ni Maine while shooting. Although it's a bit difficult kasi, of course, medyo hindi kami, we're in a different country, hindi medyo familiar with the people and the place. But
we had fun.
We had fun.
What's the most important part, your favorite part of the trip?
When we were shooting,
Camel.
yung sa camels, yeah, yung nasa cover mismo, kung makikita niyo po yung parang kulay clay pot yung background, that's the most beautiful scenery in Morocco. Actually, pag napunta kayo dun sa outskirts, sa may parang suburban area nila, nandun yung ganong nandun yung ganong sceneries. But of course, we wouldn't be able to make it, we won't be able to produce such photos like this one, yeah, without the patience of the whole Mega team. So, of course, Miss Peewee and Suki who was there, Miss Sari, ayan na siya. Oh, thank you for the patience, Miss Peewee. Alam mo naman yung pinagdaanan natin doon, di ba? Yes po. So, yan, with that po, thank you so much again. And si Maine kasi nasa Cebu, binibisita niya yung mga Aldab libraries. And sabi niya gusto niya makahabol, pero baka mabitin lang sa oras, baka hindi rin makarating. So, eto, meron siyang message for you guys. So, please watch it.
Sa lahat ng Aldab Nation at sa lahat ng nandyan ngayon sa Aldab Mega Cover Launch. I'm very sorry I wouldn't be able to make it there tonight kasi meron akong mga bagay na kailangan asikasuhin at tapusin. But I hope you're all having a great evening and sana magustuhan and ma-enjoy niyo yung mga ipapakita, ipapresent at ikakwento ng Mega Team about our Morocco shoot, the behind-the-scene clips and the stories behind them. And yeah, I hope you all have a great time and enjoy the rest of the evening. Babawi ako soon, promise.
So, thank you, Maine. Ayan, visit lang sa mga Aldab libraries. But anyway, sana just sit back, relax, and I hope na mag-enjoy kayo while we will be, actually first time ko rin pong makikita to, Miss Peewee, the documentary. Yes po. So with that, enjoy guys. Thank you all so much for being here. And we'll...
So here it is. the story behind Mega Nation in Morocco.
This event would not be possible without the help of our generous sponsors, Yale, the world's favorite lock, BYS Cosmetics, Converse, and our official venue partner, Samsung Hall SM Aura Premier.
Ay! Oh my God! Fangirl na naman eh. Ay, okay lang kuya. Bibigyan